Welcome back to From Pennies to Paradise, y'all. Now, in this video, I am excited to share step number 5 with you. I am Tanya, owner of Dream Escapes with Tanya, and this one is the 52-week challenge. I know you've seen it all over the place. I know you've seen it all over TikTok. Everybody's talking about it. They even have these little binders that you can use. They help you track your money. You put so much in each slide, and it is supposed to be an amazing thing. So, are you ready to transform your savings game? Make your dream luxury vacation a reality? I am. So, join me in this simple yet powerful strategy. So, I'm going to order my book, you order yours, and what we'll do is we'll start putting money in. Start small. If you don't have it like that, start small. Put a little bit in, then next time try to put more. So if you can only do $5 or $10 this week, try to do 10, 20 next week. Try to do 30, 40, 50 the following week. Do what you can. And a big add-on would be to, you know how if you're broke, you don't have the money to spend? Well, that's how you have to act when you're trying to save this money. Just if you're broke, you're broke. I can't touch it. I don't have it. And you'll continue to see that money grow. So whether you're saving for a romantic getaway, if you're saving for that luxury cruise we were talking about, you want a luxury resort vacation, this method is perfect for helping you build that fund effortlessly. So let's stay consistent. Let's watch ourselves and watch our spending. And then let's see how our savings grows week by week. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more expert tips on saving money and planning your dream vacation. Let's embark on this savings journey together. I'm going to do it too. Order in my book. So let's see what happens, guys. Until next time.